Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Datadog agent for VDS servers step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Datadog official website. Scroll down to the integrations section. Search for agent in the search bar. Click on the link that says agent. Locate the section for downloading the Datadog agent. Select the appropriate agent for your VDS server type. Click on the download link for your operating system. Once the download is complete, open your terminal or command prompt. Change the directory to where the installer is located. If you are using a Linux server, run the installation command provided on the Datadog website. For Windows, double-click the downloaded installer to begin the installation process. Follow the prompts in the installation wizard to complete the setup. During installation, you will be prompted to enter your Datadog API key. You can find your API key in your Datadog account settings. After entering the API key, complete the installation. Once installed, start the Datadog agent by executing the appropriate command for your operating system. Verify that the agent is running by checking the service status. To confirm successful installation, navigate to your Datadog dashboard. Check if your VDS server appears under the integrations section. If it does, your Datadog agent is successfully installed and running. Congratulations, you have successfully downloaded and installed the Datadog agent for your VDS server. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.